Anti-aliasing is a technology that removes jaggies or the staircase effect in video games. But why is this problem happening in the first place? Computer screens are made up of tiny squares called pixels. On the other hand, real-life objects have rounded corners. When you try to draw a diagonal line or a rounded object like a circle on a monitor, you'll end up with that staircase effect that looks quite unappealing. There are a wide variety of anti-aliasing technologies, but fundamentally, they work in the same way, as they try to fill the approximate data that should be there in order to make the image more pleasing to the user. The Unity's post-processing stack provides us with three different anti-aliasing technologies. The fast approximate anti-aliasing, which is fast but provides a low quality. The subpixel morphological anti-aliasing, which is good but doesn't work well on high dynamic range scenes. The temporal anti-aliasing, which provides a high quality and works very well with HDR scenes, and this is why we're going to use it. But before that, we need to check the quality settings in the project settings. Go to Edit, Project Settings, and then Quality. First of all, make sure that the quality is set to Ultra, and anti-aliasing is set to Disabled, because we want the post-processing to control it. The Unity default anti-aliasing technology is MSAA, or multi-sample anti-aliasing, and it's compatible only with forward rendering. Go back to the inspector and select the main camera. Go to the post-process layer component and set the anti-aliasing to Temporal Anti-Aliasing, or TAA. The Temporal Anti-Aliasing has a number of properties. Jitter spread. Jitter spread modifies the diameter in which samples are spread. Smaller values result in a crisp aliased output, while larger values result in a more stable but blurred outputs. Stationary blending controls how many history samples are blended into the final color output with minimal active motion. Motion blending controls how many history samples are blended with significant active motion. Sharpness can recover high details from the blurred TAA output. And now for the values: 1 for the jitter spread, 0.99 for stationary blending, and also 0.99 for motion blending, and 0.3 for sharpness. This is it for this video. See you in the next one.